Hey, Geoff here at Premier Gems, and I'm here to talk about vintage and antique jewelry. If the piece was made before 1920, it probably has antique diamonds, such as these old European and old mine cuts as seen in this stunning topaz brooch. And one thing to consider with old pieces is that they may not have had any maintenance done in a very long time, especially if they were inherited or if you go to an auction situation. Um, the people may have just sold them because it's not their style, but they may have not done any maintenance on it. So it's always a good idea to bring it into professional. Make sure that there's enough metal holding all the claws to the diamonds and the gems, and that everything is nice and tight, and there's enough metal there so that you can wear it every day without being worried about a potential loss. Another thing to consider is that a lot of antique pieces, they probably don't have any verification or documents. They could have gone lost, or they just were never like verified in terms of the quality. So it's always a good idea to have them appraised by a professional just to verify the quality and the provenance of the piece.